Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to review my M1 Finance Roth IRA portfolio. A Roth IRA is a tax-advantaged individual retirement account that is not taxed on the gains, given certain conditions are met. That means any dividends and capital appreciation I invest are not taxed when distributions are made. So looking at this portfolio, I have $5,682 in my portfolio. I started this account early April this year, April 2019. And if you look at the current value, as I mentioned, this is $5,682. The breakdown of the gains, total gain is $184.93. And the amount of dividends I received are $23.62. And from capital appreciation is $161.31. That's a total of 3.36%. So going back to my portfolio, I have this sorted by high to low in terms of value. So my biggest position in this portfolio is Vanguard S&P 500, ticker symbol VOO. This tracks the S&P 500, and VOO Vanguard has a very low expense ratio, so it's very cheap relative to the value they provide. This is $3,400, up 3.9%. Next is Vanguard Information Technology, which tracks the technology sector, ticker symbol VGT. This has a value of $561.59, up 2.41% of my portfolio. Next is Visa. This is a payment processing company, which is a value of $303.92, which is up 10.85%. Next is Apple, consumer electronics company, which has a value of $292.32, up 7.08%. Next is Microsoft, value of $291.79, up 6.84%. Google, or Alphabet, which is the parent company of Google, is a value of $288.20, which is down 1.48%. Next is Alibaba, which is an e-commerce company in China, is $268.32 in value and down 3.78%. And last but not least is Amazon, is a value of $264.79, down 3.71%. So the last couple companies, I initially had a target of 5% holding, but based on market fluctuation, some of these have been going down in terms of the position versus, for example, let's say Apple and Visa, which are up. This is greater than 5% of the portfolio. And Vanguard Information Technology, I initially had this allocated 10%, but now it's 9.8%. And Vanguard S&P 100 is 60% of the portfolio. So that's all for this video. Comment down below on what's in your portfolio. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.